Hi, I'm David, and I'm lucky enough to research sustainable product service systems in my PhD. Why am I lucky? Because PSS business models are seen as a key means of achieving circular economy and contributing to sustainable development. Let me show you the challenge I work on visually. This staircase shows different levels of PSS offerings in terms of their service content, and it shows Osted's position. Currently, we deliver some services, but they are mostly reactive and ad hoc. But where should Osted climb on this staircase, and how? And which step is the most sustainable for them? The challenge is that PSS is not by default more sustainable than traditional product sales, and it does not necessarily mean that the top of the staircase is the best option for any manufacturing company. Therefore, the key is to figure out which step makes the most sense for Osted and how to actually climb there to get the most out of it in all three dimensions of sustainability: business, environmental, and social. To address this challenge, we developed a decision-making support tool through an innovative action design research approach to ensure both scientific rigor and industrial relevance. This was done in cycles that consist of 4 phases, namely diagnose, plan, do, and test. Each cycle yielded a version of the tool, which was then tested first with FOSS technology, in the second cycle with master students at DTU, and in the third cycle with the management team at Osted. And it was improved in between the cycles. The developed tool looks into PSS elements that are the product, service, network, and the infrastructure into different life cycle phases: beginning of life, middle of life, and end of use of the concept. It also looks into the 3 dimensions of sustainability: business, environmental, and social. And finally, it looks into value, that is the benefit over cost of each element that builds up the complete PSS concept. The tool's purpose is to guide decision-making when screening the viability of alternative concepts, in other words, the different steps of the staircase, and align them with Osted's strategy. For that reason, the tool is called BEST PSS, which stands for Business, Environmental, and Social Screening Tool for PSS Concepts. The tool helps Osted to identify positive and negative hotspots of alternative concepts, and it supports strategic business development decisions in PSS concept selection and improvement. The future plan is to evaluate this tool in other manufacturing companies so that it can be used as a part of the total PSS design process, which is being developed in this research, and which will answer the question on how to actually climb the staircase once we know where exactly are we going. The industrial potential of the implementation of this research is immense, as it can profoundly augment companies' business models in terms of revenue stability, reduced environmental impact, and better customer relationships. Thank you for your attention.